Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Underscape Creations. We're going to go ahead and talk about regeneration within the attribute definition. Uh, Before we get started, it is important to note that you cannot have regeneration and degeneration working together. I couldn't find an instance or a game where an attribute has both, and if you do and you need it, please let me know and how you're expecting it to work so that I can make the changes to allow them to work together. Because right now there's a lot of complicated math and complicated checks that need to be done consistently to make sure that they don't conflict. Um, Without having a reliable example, um, I went ahead and made a decision to make it to where they do not work one with another. So please remember that. So with regeneration, you have a flat rate, percent rate, and flat and percent. So flat rate, if we come in here, flat regen rate per second. So they get 5 health, regeneration tick, interval 0.5 seconds. So they'll get put 2.5 health every 0.5 seconds. We have a regen rate modifier attribute. If I come over here to mana, you can see right here, I have mana regen. If I come over here to mana regen, I have it at 1. So if we want the amount that gets regenerated to increase, we would create an attribute for it, and then this is what gets modified, the mana regen. Um, Otherwise, it just does its flat amount that we have here of 5 in the example that we have in intelligence. Blocking tags, so when combat starts, you would make sure that the gameplay tag for combat, whatever one you have, gets applied, so it pauses the regeneration, no longer regenerates. You can even make it to where tags are required. That way, if you want to have regeneration be an unlocked feature, you can do that as well. Start delay after interrupt is currently at 0. Um, if we set it to something else, then obviously it will delay. So, as an example, uh, combat ends, but you wait 5 seconds, then regeneration starts back up. That's what that means. And then regeneration effect tag, you don't need to set. If I come in here, it gets automatically set when everything is set up correctly. So you don't have to worry about that. And then if we come here to percentage, then obviously this is now percentage. 0.01 is 1%. Flat and percent, so that you can do that if you so choose. It allows for complete and total flexibility. I'm going back to no regeneration because we don't need it in intelligence. And you'll see right here, validating asset, it has completely and totally validated. Good to go. So as you can see, effect.regeneration.health automatically is applied here because I saved it and it's in the project settings. We have not put DA underscore intelligence into the project settings yet. We will once we are done. And of course here, so there's always something cool to do. All right, that is all for this episode. In the next one, we will go and touch over degeneration.